Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
2 weeks prior we were told that you all will be having online exams which will be starting from Monday. Now it seems just suddenly yesterday they come to know from their teachers that they have to come physically on Monday and start answering their papers offline. And Pramod Sawant, being the education minister, has specifically said that I think that he's thinking of starting with the college offline classes. That means college section who are in the first year, second year TY, which is section असू commerce, science or arts, college section and postgraduate सांगतो 60 सोडको सोदता कित्याक they have already received a JEPs. But हे बाबडे भुरगीं जी 16 आणि 17 वर्सांची आसा जे हायर सेकंडरीत आसा तेणे इंजेक्शन दिवंक घेवना आनी तुमी कशे क्लास एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट करपाक सोदता. At least if government or the school or the education department had to make jabs ready for them, available for them, की आपले इंजेक्शन घेता असले आनी रेडी आसता असले एग्जामीक.
It's not just a question about our health. We have other family members at home. We have other senior members at home. We have our grandparents, and they are more at risk than us. Maybe we can get through it, no, but then them, it's very risky for them. We don't want to risk that thing. Also, every time we try to tell them about how they have informed us so late, they always tell us that it's our responsibility to study and stay, be prepared. Yes, we will be prepared, but it's also at the same time their responsibility to tell us in advance, at least a few days, at least a week before in advance.
I feel if the education department has given the permission to them to conduct offline classes, I think it's their duty and responsibility to at least ask our parents about it. Just if our parents are ready to send their children at their own risk, and at least inform us that the education department has given the permission to hold the examinations offline.
This said it's going to be online first. Students keeping that in mind went out of the station that it's online exam and they can answer from their respective places. But then they are saying offline exam just 3 days prior to the exam. So that's not how it's done. You cannot expect students to adapt things like quickly. You also need a time to evolve.
शिक्षण संचालकाकडे उलोवप जाला. तो सांगता स्कुलाचे प्रशासन बोर्डाच्या मान्यते बगैर ऑफलायन परीक्षा घेवंक शकना.
I have spoken to the director of education today morning. आणि ताणे कॅटेगरीली सांगला की अशे जर एग्जामी जर घेवंक जाय जाल्यार बोर्डा कडल्यान एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान परमिशनाची गरज आसा, which they have not obtained and nor they have given. And secondly, he has said this is completely wrong. So आम्ही अपील करतात सरकाराकडे, मुख्यमंत्र्याकडे, बोर्डाच्या डायरेक्टराकडे, डायरेक्टर एज्युकेशनाकडे की या भुरग्यांचे घराणे आयकून घेयात. जेन्ना भुरग्यांनी आपल्या हायर सेकंडरी पर्यंत विषय पावपाचो प्रयत्न केलो जाल्यार त्या वेळाचेर भुरग्यांचे जे व्हॉट्सएप ग्रुप आहा ऑफिशियल हायर सेकंडरी ते ताणें सेटिंग चेंज केले आनी ओन्ली एडमिन कॅन पोस्ट मेसेज म्हूण केले. सो दिस इज व्हेरी बॅड. This is very bad on the part of the higher secondary management. So I expect that he was in a meeting, he was in some presentation in the morning. So ताका हांवें सांगला बाबा कितें तो आजो सोक्षमोक्ष आज लाय because students are stressed out.
We told the principal about it. She just said that she told one of her students that we understand your anxiety and you all should be prepared as we had told you all to study. I understand that we have to be prepared and we are almost prepared. But when we tried putting out our views, nothing was being heard, and she told us that you all ask the teachers are telling us you all speak to the office. In my opinion, I feel what is done is injustice to us, as many and most of the schools in the town have conducted online examinations.
Prudent Bureau.